So now that the holidays are behind us, a lot of people are starting to get their homes ready for the market, starting to do some improvements. So we thought we'd share what we think are some somewhat low expense or no expense things you can do to prepare your home for the market and really where you're going to get your best bang for the buck. So what are yours?
Yeah, mine, so 3Ds, easy to remember. Always my recommendation on listing appointments that does not cost money, much money at all. Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. Declutter, so for example, if it's your built-ins or a bookshelf, I recommend getting them down to about a third. That way you're showing what it's capable of doing, but you're leaving enough space for the buyer to be able to see their stuff there. And then depersonalizing. Frankly, buyers are nosy, so they're gonna come into your home and look at the pictures of your family, and so I always recommend either swapping out personal photos or taking those photos down. And then a deep clean is worth the investment, which is a pretty small investment, but it shows that you're taking care of your home and speaks volumes to a buyer.
Yeah, for sure. So I would say these might cost a little bit more, but interior paint, I think you can get the main areas of your house done, and we still recommend just a neutral color, but you can get that done for probably less than $5,000 depending on the size of your house, and that's a big bang for your buck, especially if your paint colors are dark or extreme or something like that. So the other thing I would say would be new bathroom vanities. That would be like if your bathroom vanities are outdated. So if you've got laminate countertops on that bathroom vanity, that just kind of signals, things are outdated. And you can now buy these bathroom vanities that come with the countertop and the sink already built in. And then you would just have to buy a new fixture to go with that. So again, that can be done, a lot of times for under $5,000. Exterior cleaning, so pressure washing, that all the driveways and the hard surfaces, that can make a huge difference in just making the house look fresh, and then adding like mulch, pine straw, just really freshen it up on the outside, because again, that's first impression as you're coming in. So I think those are mine.
Yeah, love it. Well, before you spend any money on improvements, make sure you connect with us for a free consultation, and we can tell you where to best spend your money. Thanks for watching.